My dear students, in previous period we have learnt about urban community. Okay, let us see remaining lesson. First we will see the tribal community. Students, already we have seen the rural community and urban community. Like that, another one community is tribal community. Okay, this is also a type of community. Okay, let us see the tribal community. Students, here one picture is there on our mobile screen. Let observe. Okay, otherwise take your textbook and open the page number 46 and see there. Observe the picture and explain how it differs from our environment. Okay, see here. Now we will observe. See here. See that. Observe the picture. That picture is we not look same as our environment. Okay, that picture is different for our comparing to our environment. See there. In this picture we found tribals. Okay, means Adivasis. Tribal means tribal community means that comes Adivasis. Okay, see that in your mobile screen. Okay, then you can understand that. So they are not living like our house. Their house is different from us. See their tent like one hut is there, and they are living in a forest. Main important. See, and their dress is different, and they are hunting animals, and their cooking style also different is there. They are totally tribal people, means that Adivasi people's lifestyle is different is there, comparing to us totally, that all different is there. Students, in this picture we found their total lifestyle is different. How? See, their wearing, their dresses different are there. There are so many trees are there. We found their rocks, and one tent like one hut is there, and see that woman is cooking food in mud vessels. Okay, and see there she is using for heating firewood. Okay, and also see their dress also different are there, and that tribal man means that is Adivasi man holding his hand bow and arrow. Okay, students. Next to see, students, families living in dense forests or hilly areas are called tribal community. See, students, families, how we are living in village, so we are called as a means village people. Okay, so when we are living in urban areas, we are called as living in cities. Okay, like that, families living in a dense forests. Dense forest means that thick forests or hilly areas are called as a tribal community. Means that tribal means Adivasis. Okay, so students, the living conditions, language, dress and marriage system of the tribals are different. They are totally different comparing to our environment. In Karnataka, Soligas of Mysuru district, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada district, Jainu Kurubas and Eravas of Kodagu district are the tribal communities are living in Karnataka. Means these are the tribal communities that are living in Karnataka. Names of tribal communities. See which are that? Soligas of Mysuru, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada, Jainu Kurubas and Eravas of Kodagu district. Okay. So students, observe on your mobile screen, picture is there, different pictures are there. See, their means their marriage ceremony, their function, and also they which type of games, how they are celebrating. See, then you can understand the tribal people, how their lifestyle is there. In next, see, students, here identify the occupations of the tribals in the given picture. See that, observe, then you can understand it and write them in the space given. See students, space is there, observe and what they are doing, means tribal what they are doing, that we want to write here. In first picture observe, so see that what is there, which type of picture is there? See that tribals, that Adivasis hunting the animals, okay, they are hunting in here, means they are here hunting that buffalo, means totally they are hunting animals. In next picture see, so in next picture they are collecting the honey. So in another picture see that tribal man and woman weaving the basket, means the weaving basket, see there, they are means manufacturing the basic needs, okay, for their, they want that for their basic needs. In next picture see that tribal man is collecting the food from the underground, okay. See in last picture that woman, okay, Adivasi woman, that means tribal woman searching medicinal leaves, okay. So students see, since tribal communities live in forests and hilly areas, you know that already, okay, they are living in thick forests or also they are living in hilly areas, okay, hills. So they are deprived of health, means they are underprivileged about the health, residence, means that is place, okay, and their education, they are not getting properly, transport, food and electricity facilities, they are not getting, deprived of that, okay, they are deprived of health, residence, education, transport and electricity facilities and also food. So the government is trying to provide, means to give education, food, house and health facilities to these people. These people means who are here? Tribals in the recent areas, means recent areas, okay, sorry, recent years, means nowadays. Students, I think you watched about the tribals in the TVs, in different movies and shows, okay. You know that a group of people living together to fulfill their basic needs and to help each other, in before we saw that, is called a community. Group of people living together to fulfill their basic needs to the and also help each other is called as a community. So we here saw the communities like rural, urban and tribal communities, okay. So again different types are there. See that community of minded people come together to exchange their ideas and opinions. For example, see, community of people interested in folklore and arts. See students, community of like-minded people means same thinking people. They are come together to exchange their ideas and opinions. That for example, community of people interested in folklore and arts. Folklore means that is one type we are telling in Kannada, local janapada or lokagit, okay. So and also arts. Community of people who work together to bring change or to achieve something in their endeavor, okay, for their effort, okay. So for example, community of nature lovers, they are also that nature lovers, they are collecting different things about the nature, they comes together, okay. So they are called as the nature lovers. People belonging to the same profession, same job, okay, or same occasion come together to form a community. So that is community of teachers, for example, community of teachers or community of doctors, engineers, okay. So like this, people get together, they comes together because of their interest, time, leisure, means it is one type of emptiness, practice, occupation and hobby, and they form their own communities. So communities are not only formed among families but also between persons because of their individual relationships. Apart from this, okay, except this, apart from this, caste, religion, aim, language, culture, age and sex etc. they are not indicating that, and are also basis of formation of communities. They are making them this type. These also different types of communities. Okay, folklore, they are interested if they are means community of people interest folklore, community of teachers, like this different communities also are there, except communities like rural, urban and tribal communities. Okay students, so today we have learnt about tribal community, and that here rural community, urban community and tribal communities finished. Okay, remaining lesson we will see in next period. Okay, bye students, take care.